Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today we are back with a new concept of difference between the sounds. Difference between the sound of letter Y. Now can you see anything similar between these three words? Yes, I have written these three words on the board. Now you have to tell me, is there any similarity between these three words? Yes, correct. Which letter is similar between these three words? Letter Y. Letter Y. Y is here also, Y is here also, and Y is in this word also. Isn't it? Yes. So, in this, what is written here? Yum. Yum. Speak with me. Yum. So, how you can hear this sound? Y. How you can hear this sound? Y. Isn't it? How you can hear this sound? Y. And here, try. 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 E. How we can hear this sound? E. E. And this one, V. R. E. V. R. E. Means E. How we can hear? Yes, correct. E. V. R. E. So, word is same. Letter is same. We have the same letter Y. But why three sounds? Y, I, E, Y. Have you thought this before? No, na? Chalo, I'll tell you. So, next time we won't make any mistake with the spellings. Y, E, E. Okay? Now I will tell you some rules for this. I'll tell you some rules for this. How many rules I am going to tell you? I am going to tell you 3 rules. Okay? As we have learned B, F, H, they are all same in every word. Their sounds are same. But why? Only there is a difference between these letters. So let's go through the first rule. Rule number 1. What's the rule that? When the starting, if Y comes at the starting of the letter or the mid, like for example, what's the for example? What we will do now? Yes. 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 Beyond. Layer. Yes. Beyond. Layer. Yum. So, in this, what we have done? First letter is Y. First letter is Y. Then the sound will be Y. Y. In this, B, B, Y, N, D. Y. Y is in the middle. So, then also we will pronounce it as Y. In this, Y, Y, Y. Y is in the middle, Y is in the middle. So, same sound, that will be Y. Okay, the sound will be Y. Now, let's go through rule number 2. For I, this was for this one, Y. Okay, now we are going to do for rule number 2, that is for E. Y is sound E, like this. In like, as in write, we write in Hindi na, E. Try. Why we are using I? See, for example, T-R-Y. Try. Cry. Fry. Try. Cry. Fry. Why E? Because before Y only one sound is there. Only one sound. Before Y only one sound. one sound. No, not letters, only sound. Like see, tr, e, kr, e. Letters are kr, two, but sound is one. Like kr, e, fr, e, tr, e, wa, e, by, e. है ना? तो cry, fry, try, buy, why, these all list goes on like this, that we can try, we can do practice afterwards. So we will learn only the rules. Okay, only one sound, then it will be sound like this, e, like Hindi e, e. How we will write this letter? Cry, kr, e, kr, e, tr, e, fr, e. Okay, but we will read like this, but we will write like this. Okay, got it? Now rule number 3. Let's go through rule number 3. Why sounds? Why? Question mark. Why sounds e, e, not e. It's e. There's difference between I and e also. I'll make next video with these sounds also. But now let's see why is sounding e. Like very, e, e, carry. More words like this. Come on, think. Body. Body. 30, 40, 50, like this. Where comes y at the end? We have list goes on and on, but I will take few examples as we have left space. So very, e, body. Why e sounds here? Simple logic, because before y there is more than one sound. More than one sound. E. How many sounds? 2. In this e. 2 sounds. More than one sound. And before carry, why it's e? Because e. How many sounds? 3 sounds. And here e. Okay, body. So more than one sound, isn't it? Am I correct? More than one sound. Then we will pronounce y as e. Y as e. Is that clear to you all? Why one letter has 3 different sounds in the words? Because they have some rules. Because there are some rules for this. If we will go through the rules, so learn these rules, just remember them, try to remember them, these rules. So, and further, when we are going to write anything, when we are going to form the spellings, that mistake you won't make. Okay, after this, you won't make any mistake. So, let me explain you once more. Let's go it again in short. Here, y is same in all the 3 letters, but y is sounding here in this, e in this, and e in this. This e means e. This one e. Okay? And this e. Very e from here and e from here. Okay? There's a difference between these two also. Because in this starting, when y is at the starting of the any letter, y is the starting letter of any word. Y is the starting letter of any word or the mid letter of any word, then it will be sound as y. If it is at the last of any word and it has only one sound, then it is pronounced as e. E means this e, Hindi wala e. Then if it is at the end and it has more than one sound, then it will be e. ऊपर से ई, okay, then it will be having more than one sound, then we will pronounce it as I. I hope it's clear to you all, and it will help you further also. Okay, if you like this content, please subscribe my channel so that I'll make more videos to make your English learning easy. Okay, bye bye.